they adore each other. They they have they've created the most beautiful ever
Raha.
child, Raha. She's so adorable. They are amazing parents. I don't think they really care about what people will say things. Yeah, I mean, they are trolls for a reason. They are mom and me. So we used to go to different rooms, shed a tear or two, cry, let it all out, and then come back and pretend like, you know, nothing's happened. You know, and my focus was just to make her happy and smile at that time. So I used to take her out. People तो used to troll us back then also, yeah. भाग
Sad
रहा
that is.
है, हंस रहे हैं, ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे. अरे, my mom is all I have, यार. Spare us. Next morning, my dadi passed away, and Alia did everything. Literally, like she came with me. She organized, वो जो खाना होता है क्योंकि घर पे नहीं बन सकता है, so she organized खाना. She was there, like because I was on my Ranbir mom and papa had left for New York. It was just me. She was with me throughout. She's a great girl. Alia's amazing. Like how she's with my mom also now, she's just amazing. Like her whole family, her mom, her sister, dad, they're all really nice. I had a really big wedding, so I didn't have a good time at my own wedding, to be honest. My dad wanted to have the biggest wedding, and which he did.
Yeah.
So Ranbir was like, you know what? We've had a big wedding in the family, a big, huge celebration. I want to keep mine. And he's a very simple guy. Both of them, both Ranbir and Alia, are very simple people. So they were like, we want to do it very chota. We just want people who matter to us, people who we are in touch with every single day. And we want to have a good time ourselves.
Everywhere there was a thing about how Ridhima's been unfair and the wine spilling episode को बहुत highlight किया गया था. तो मैंने इसलिए clarify किया कि शायद हम जो सोच रहे हैं आप दोनों के बीच में वो नहीं है. जो कि आपने बताया. But how were you reacting to the reactions? Because it all became about you and her.
And I don't understand why. Honestly, we
became
are good.
Ridhima and stuff like that.
End of the day, we are good with each other. There's no bad blood, and everything is fine. I have the deepest, utmost respect for her. She said, to a lot of people in many interviews also where I've come across where she says that, she's like my baby sister, which is, a younger sister.
Hello, everybody. I'm Rudrani, and welcome to Zoom Speakeasy. My guest today is so special and the talk of the town. She is her own woman and has been doing her own thing, being extremely secure. Yes, she comes from a film family. There can be so many assumptions, so many speculations, but she is fantastic at what she does. I'm talking about the beautiful Ridhima Kapoor Sahni. Thank you for joining in, Ridhima.
Thank you, Rudrani, for having me here. Always good to talk to you. Even though we are not talking in person, but even on video, it's always good to talk to you.
I know, and you know what? We've really planned this for a while, and you were trying to make it happen in person. But next time for sure. But like I said, you are your own woman. और मुझे लगता है वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है Ridhima, because it's when you're in a film family, there is so much attention that is already being given to your brother, to your father, to your mother, and you particularly chose not to be in the film and make your own path.
Yeah.
But that I feel like there is a sense of security and a sense of self-assuredness inside you, which is not very common. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, I mean, being, born in the family, and we've seen it all. Like end of the day, with my father, with my parents, now my brother, sister-in-law. But I've always actually been a very secure person. I always wanted to do what I wanted to do. When I wanted to go abroad to pursue my further education, still remember in the beginning, I told my dad that I want to go abroad and I want to for my further studies.
Yeah.
And he was like really, he was shocked and he was kind of nervous. So, he kept walking and parading up and down the corridor, okay, oh my God, my daughter wants to go abroad. She's going to be staying there alone. So there was always that sort of, insecurity in him at the time. But then he agreed. So, yeah, but he always supported me, like 100%. Both my parents supported me. So I always did what I wanted to do, end of the day.
No, absolutely. And I feel like a lot of this confidence also comes from the wonderful way you've been brought up by Neetu ji, right? Like she's absolutely adorable, but when she talks about you, there is this pride in
Yes.
the path that you've chosen and created your own identity. है कि नहीं बताइए?
Yes, yes. So of course, I mean, they try to keep us really grounded, and we are. They've always sort of, spoken to us about everything. They were never. It was never like, आप ये नहीं कर सकते हो, वो नहीं कर सकते हो. It was always like, whatever you want to do, we will be with you, we will support you, and but just you need to know the pros and cons of everything. So basically, that.
I could see her kind of be very curious and also kind of support you when you announced that you wanted to be a part of, Fabulous Lives. Because
Yeah.
and Ranveer too. Ranveer like, क्या करेगी वो? What was the first reaction?
Yeah, so he was like, his first reaction, when he came on the thing, on the video, and he was like, she's going to mess it up and all, because he was like, she may say something out of line, she may do something, but because they know how I am, I like, what is here is here, what is here is here. I don't, मैं कुछ नहीं रखती हूँ अपने दिल दिमाग में, जो है वो है, I'm very straightforward. But I think that's where his sort of he was a little doubtful कि मतलब, what will she do? I hope she doesn't get into this massive fight or whatever, so he was a little scared. A little nervous.
But you have kind of, I wouldn't say smooth sail, but I think you have navigated through all of that.
Yeah, well, I think I have.
You have. Post the show and watching everything, I would like to know first thing that Neetu ji and Ranveer said. And in fact, Alia, I'm sure all of them have been hooked on.
They binge watched it. My mom was binge watching it. Like, she finished it in one day and she thoroughly enjoyed the season. Not because of me or anything, but she actually enjoyed it. She loved it. Ranbir, I mean, has he seen it? He didn't really tell me, but Alia did. Alia watched it. Her mom did, and they have loved it.
In the show, there have been so many times where you have gone ahead and pointed out things that you didn't like. Even like you're very close to all of them, Bhavna, Seema, all of them. But I think there was a moment in the show, I feel, where you actually pointed out to Shalini that, I feel like you're not getting a moment to talk, or I feel like you're being bullied. And you tried having a conversation with, Kalyani and stuff. And I think it was a very important moment because I thought that people would usually assume कि रिद्धिमा तो already जानते हैं उनको, फिल्म फैमिली से है, तो जिसके साथ भी जो होगा वो कभी आवाज नहीं उठाए. जो हुआ उसके बाद की शालिनी से चलो मुझे मैं सही हूँ, मैं हैंडल कर लूंगी, इज और डिसीजन.
Yeah, exactly. देख, मेरा काम था, not मेरा काम था, as a friend I just pointed out something, but end of the day it's it's their relationship, however they want to tackle and however they want to sort of carry their relationship forward. So it was just that one time, and after that I was like, okay, you don't need me to tell you anything. It is what it is.
I think this point also came up during the reunion little thing that you had.
Yeah. That's when
where I think तब मुझे लगा कि ये आपके लिए जरूरी था बोलना, and you spoke up saying that what is it that you want, because I was only showing support. So मतलब क्या है, क्या चाहते हैं हम?
Friends do that, yeah. If there's something like, you have to see me with my friends, when we are together, we are a vibe. So I just thought, as I said, what is here is here, what is here is here. So sometimes I don't think and speak, so if I don't think something is, if I need to tell you something, I will tell it to you, and then you can sort of correct me, or you can, tell me that, look, I don't require your help, or, I'm okay on my own, which she did, rightly so. And then I backed off. So, yeah.
So did you get the answer in the reunion? Because in that video, because I see you posing her that question, right?
No, but we are all okay, honestly. Like, we are all good, and we all sort of, we just met in Bombay, Abhi. See, we are not the best of friends, and I've said this on the show. And I'm like, not even like once I said, oh no, we are best friends and we hang out every day. We are not. See, Delhi honestly has a very small social circle. So we meet each other at parties. That doesn't make us the best of friends, That said, she is friends with my cousin. That's where I first met both of them, you know, at my cousin's place. I have a different set of friends. I hang out with them every other day. You know, these girls, I meet them once in a while, maybe once in 2 months or 3 months at a party, very socially. So that's why I said we are just friends. You know, we're not,
Which is an honest
I
thing
made
to
no
say.
two bones about it. We're just friends. Yeah.
So, Ridhima, you're keeping wine away from everybody now, aren't you?
Pani wine. Nahi yaar,
No,
the
I did
table
that.
mein, honestly, I'll tell you what, there were a lot of glasses. There were too much, like too many things happening on the table. And sometimes I talk
Yeah.
like this, you know, with my hands and whatever. So lag
Hmm.
gaya. Genuinely, galti se haath lag
Ah.
gaya. You know, and it fell on her. She was sitting next to me. So it was an accident, you know, and it was but you know, everything happened so quickly that for me, it took time to process, like, shit, what just happened? You know, like literally. And obviously the camera doesn't catch everything. Okay, let me just tell you that. But anyways, so it just happened. And I was like, you know what? Let it sort of, you know,
Simmer.
the night will pass.
Simmer down.
And when I meet her, which I didn't see her because I had scenes with, you know, other people and whatever. When I met her, my apology was genuine. And I made a joke out of it as well, you know, so just to keep it lighthearted. And I was just generally talking to her, like, you know, are you okay? Like, was this vacation sort of, you know, thrown upon you? Was it like, you know, were you are you comfortable, you know, with everyone together? Just that very general conversation. And then I said, listen, like, really, really sorry. And look, I will say things if I mean. If I don't mean something, I will not say, you know. And I genuinely wanted to meet her one-on-one and send her an apology. You know?
And you all met in the art event,
Yes.
like you
Yes.
said. So has everything been put away now? You know, have you all moved on from?
Yeah, because we met a couple of times even after that, and everything was fine. I mean, after the shoot also, you know, after filming, everything was good, you know.
ये बहुत जरूरी है कि मैं highlight करें because there is this notion and there is so much I want to talk with Ridhima. I want to put this out of the way. It's nice to check comments. I keep seeing a lot of comments that come towards you as well. कि घमंडी है, nepo product. Yeah, throughout your life you heard this, which is okay. I'm not doing this interview to sympathize or at all. I'm just
Not at
stating
all.
facts.
Yeah, yeah.
Just stating facts. So there was a certain curiosity when I saw that from what happened in the episode to the to coming days, and then that everywhere there was a thing about how Ridhima's been unfair and the wine spilling episode को बहुत highlight किया गया था. तो मैंने इसलिए clarify किया कि शायद हम जो सोच रहे हैं आप दोनों के बीच में वो नहीं है, जो कि आपने बताया. But how were you reacting to the reactions? Because it all became about you and her.
Yeah, and I don't understand why. Honestly,
became
we are
part
good.
of
So
Ridhima and stuff like that.
end of the day, we are good with each other. You know, there's no bad blood, and
Yeah.
everything is fine. I have the deepest, utmost respect for her. She said, you know, to a lot of people in many interviews also where I've come across where she says that, you know, she's like my baby sister, you know, which is, you know, a younger sister. So, no, there's no bad blood between us, to be honest. And yeah, they have highlighted this, I don't know, maybe for drama or what, you know, to create more sensation. I don't know what, but everything's good. Yeah, between the two of us. Also, the apology scene was not included because of the bad lighting or whatever. They had some technical glitch and it happens, you know, but that apology scene did happen, you know, right after, a day after, I think a day or two after the wine spill thing. So they wanted to do the apology scene. I mean, you know, they did tell us that we want the apology scene to happen. So that did happen. And, but unfortunately, it didn't make it to the cut. A lot of scenes don't make it to the cut, actually. You know how edits work.
I'm going to ask you a very, very truthful question now. A part of you doing the show also was also that you could show the world who you are, right? You know, you've been a successful jewelry designer of your own world there, and you rarely come out to give interviews or you're very like happy in your world. This was a part of it. Is it hurtful to see that people are again, not everybody, people who've loved you have loved you with all heart.
Yeah.
But a lot of people have been caught up in this trap of this conversation of their entire Nepo product hai, to, which is the kind of hate that Alia, Ranveer, all of them have been getting through almost through a really long period of their life. And you obviously now are part of it. Is it hurtful? Because they're not seeing the show and for who you are, and this is being packaged in a way that makes you look like somebody who you're not, like, you know, someone who's, of course you're privileged, but someone who's like snooty and bully and all of that.
I'm nothing like that. I'm a very simple girl. I love being at home with my family. I love going out with my family. I barely go out, you know, I barely socialize, you know, I hardly go out. If I have to go out, we literally go out for dinners, you know, lunches and dinners, but with the family. To see, see, honestly, I don't even like bother about trolls. Trolls are trolls because of a reason, right? Why give them, why highlight them, and why give them importance? Like I said, लोगों का काम है बोलना, वो तो बोलेंगे. आपका काम है, you know, just to ignore them, and that's exactly what we do. People have always been saying like nasty things, negative things, but why let negativity get to you? You know, you focus on the positives, on all the positives.
Which is wonderful. I think like the thick skin that you have developed over the years have helped you.
Yeah, always. I really don't care. See, the thing is, you can say whatever you like about me, it really makes me no difference, you know, but don't say things about my family. You know, that's when I'm like, that's when actually the horns come out.
Of
Otherwise,
course, like you rightly said, the drama has helped because itna to pata hai, there will be another.
Guys, end of the day, what you all wanted? Drama, entertainment. We've given that to you, no?
A lot, a lot.
We enjoy it.
I see Karan adding all mirch masala with the videos where he's constantly asked who is your favorite.
But that's fun now also. He asked me also, but that's when I said, Abhi Neelam was sitting next to me. I was like, Neelam? But Neelam, of course, I've known her for a very long time, you know, actually. And our children are friends. The girls are friends. Samara hangs out with her daughter whenever she is in Bombay. They are of the same age. And Neelam has always been a very, very old family friend. Na? She's done so many movies with my dad also. So of course I said Neelam, and then Bhavna, Mahip, Shalini, Kalyani, Seema. So I named them all. I was like, "Main nahi kisi ko bhi piche."
You didn't give them what they wanted.
Huh?
Karan gave them what they wanted. When Ori asked Karan, you have to name it. Shall I say?
No, but you know, honestly, I have my equation is very different with all the girls, you know. The four Bombay, the Bollywood wives, they've danced at my wedding, they've performed, and they've attended my wedding. Like Mahip is a family friend, so that thing also, Mahip ko auntie kaise bulaya aapne?
That came out.
I said, but people, मतलब टांग खींचने की भी मतलब कुछ होता है ना. People actually like, if you're friends, you are. मैं तो उसके मुंह पे बोलती हूँ, हाँ मही आंटी कैसे हो? You know, and she's like, I whack you, don't call me that, you know. Because honestly, yes, Sanjay, before Prem, where he used to come home to meet dad, meet mom, I was very young, and I used to literally go and I used to hide behind the sofas, like, you know, like cute guy coming home and all. I used to get like really like whatever, like kicked and tickled. So since then, so that's the story I actually told Mahib. I was saying, you know, Mahib Sanjay used to come and I used to be like, I used to have the biggest crush and all on him, you know, back then. I used to call him uncle, but I used to call him uncle. My dad used to tell me to call him uncle. So unko uncle to bulana tha na, even though he was a like, I don't exactly know his age or anything, but I was made to call him uncle at that time. And तो मस्ती में I told Mahib, तो फिर आपको भी आंटी बुला लूं? It's like, I will whack you.
Nose to be taught.
See, where is the sense of humor? People literally have no sense of humor these days. You know,
it's become very serious every day.
Yeah, why? Like, just enjoy it now. Why everything has to be taken so seriously and negatively? I don't understand. And guys, I'm not. Such में maybe शक्ल से लगती हूँ, but I'm not. People bully me.
But you mentioned your wedding, and I'm a sucker for romantic stories. I have to go there. I mean, you've said a couple of times, but not in the show so much. But I would love to know how that happened. And also, I feel like in the show, how much of it I could see, your husband is an extremely supportive, happy man.
Yes.
And, you know, it reflects why you've been able to, absolutely. It also showed me that this is why the marriage works. There is this really sweet companionship.
Yeah, we've been married for 18 years. We have a beautiful daughter. You know, when people say privilege, privilege, I'm like, for me, like, thing is, I'm privileged. Yes, I'm grateful because I get to spend that time with my beautiful family. My family is supportive. My family loves me, adores me. I adore them. That's privilege to me. And I express gratitude every single day, you know. It's because, it's just that this unconditional love that we have for each other.
You mentioned Samira. She is absolutely adorable. She has to be the smartest person in your family, in the whole family.
Yeah, she is.
She handles paps better than you guys ever could, I feel.
Yeah, Baba.
She poses fantastically. I went to all your Insta feeds of the old ones where I saw her posing like a diva for your
Yeah,
jewelry.
all that. Oh, for the paps, na?
No, not just paps, for your jewelry shoots and stuff. She was a
For
tiny
jewelry.
kid.
Yes. No, she
I went
loves.
back there.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, Samara, finish your school, college, and then whatever you want to do, I will, I'll support you. And anything you want. See, right now she's only 13, so it's too soon. It's too early. She may want to become like want to be something else tomorrow. Tomorrow she'll wake up and say, Mama, I want to be a doctor or or something else. I'll still support her. So I was like, pehle aap school khatam kar lo, college khatam kar lo, then whatever you want to do, I will help you and I will support you.
But for now, Samara has
Focus.
absolutely going to.
And that is why I'm here today, because we were supposed to do another session in Mumbai and I was like, I can't because my daughter needs me. I took her to Bombay with me and I took her books also. I was like, aap padhai karo. I had to do this event. We'll fly back and then I'll stay with you. See, for me, family comes first. It's always been, family is my priority. My husband, my child, my mom, I have to look after her also. So I keep going back and forth. Each time I'm in Mumbai, people are like, अच्छा दिल्ली छोड़ दिया अभी मुंबई में है अभी मतलब माँ से भी नहीं मिलूं.
That's
It's
true.
how it's become. So I don't pay attention to trolls at all.
Before I move on to the mother-daughter wonderful relationship, I was just troubling you to tell me your lovely love story.
My
and
love
how and how you've been kind of able to maintain that so beautifully so many years, like we said, touch wood.
I think, it's that line of respect that you don't cross also. You just have to sort of, like, he's very patient with me. I love talking. Sometimes if I'm saying something, I'm not interrupting anyone. It's because I have so much to
Yeah.
say. I have a lot to talk. So I love talking. If I have no one to talk to, I swear, I'll literally look at myself and not in the mirror and I'll start talking to myself. I can talk to the bark of a tree. Like literally. I love to talk. But he's a very patient person. He's not quiet. He loves to talk also. But he's just a very loving human being, He's a good boy, good guy, touch wood.
If someone would ask you, what is I wouldn't say secret, but what is one thing that you feel you followed in your marriage to kind of make it be this way? What would that be?
I think communication. You have to communicate with your partner. That's very important. If don't sleep over a fight. That's what we never do. If there is something, and the thing is, like, so, people have asked me, sorry, kaun bolta hai pehle? It's like we just start talking apne aap. We argue, but then we don't stretch it. We just start talking, but we never
Put the
sleep.
egos aside.
Sorry?
I said you put the egos aside.
Egos aside, exactly. There should be no ego in a marriage. And it's just that, and like, we start talking, we don't literally, we don't hold back. We say how, what we are feeling, we speak our mind, we talk to each other. So I think communication plays a very, very important part in, in a marriage. Don't just keep anything inside, for too long.
I see that fiery spirit in you, that confident person who will always speak up for what is right.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
And I feel
I
that is,
call it out, Baba. I don't like to. If I know something is like wrong, I will just call it out. Then I don't care about the repercussions, but I call it out. That's one thing
absolutely.
I can't tolerate. Is just I can't tolerate bullshit. That's it.
Have you always been this person growing up?
Yeah,
Ranveer has always spoken about, being afraid of Rishiji a little bit, but there's a respect that you have. But you had a very different rapport with him. And then, of course, with your mother. I want to know how you were growing up. Where did this wonderfully confident woman kind of develop who's sitting in front of?
I am like my dad, and confidence ka pata nahi, but it's just Ranbir and me are we are very different people. He's more he's quieter, he's more zen, more he's patient. I'm more talkative. I express my feelings a lot more. He expresses more on the camera. Like literally. But no, I've always been like this, to be honest. Yeah.
Even as a child.
Yeah, always. I was never the quiet kind. I was
Were
always.
you the rebel? The one who used to be like, अगर मुझे ये करना है तो मुझे करना है. Were
No,
you
nahi, no. If my parents didn't want us to do something, we would obviously reason it out, and then they would explain that why we don't want you to do like certain things, or why we don't want you to go to wherever, to a place. Reasoning would happen, but aise nahi tha ke, we used to argue with them or fight. We were always very, very respectful of our parents, both of us.
Ridhima, was it interesting to see the kind of stardom that Rishiji saw? And then, of course, your mother as well. It's wonderful because they're such seasoned artists, loved by so many people. I'm sure you saw that love around them.
Yes.
How was it, when you recollected it?
Surreal. Like, literally, like, initially, though, we were like, why are like people like following you, and like why are you like signing their books and all? Like, for us it was a little too like, we were just like, why is all this happening? Like, we couldn't believe our parents are famous, like popular and whatever, like. But I guess eventually and gradually we saw we realized that people absolutely adore them, for the kind of work that they've done over the years. We've grown up watching their movies, and yeah, so it was just back then also we were confused. Like, dancing around trees, people are loving you, why, how?
I also feel like that is why you were also in your own zone, right? They wanted to keep you all away from all of this so that you could be your own person.
Yeah, we never went to a movie set. We were always like mom obviously like quit at a very young age, and at home with us, and be around us. And that's exactly how I am. I want to be home with Samara in case Samara needs something, so I like to be around her. Wherever I am, I have to be home when she comes back from school. Like, she cannot come back to an empty house. That's how I am. I have to be there for my child, no matter what. Everything aside, my child comes first. She is my priority, and she will always be. My mom did the same thing, like when we were growing up. So she stayed home, she looked after us. We never went to a movie set, and dad was obviously very busy, and he used to do like at that time 2 or 3 shifts a day. But on the weekends, he made sure he took us out to dinner or made plans with us, spend time with us. We used to play this game called Quiz Time, where he used to quiz us on like all the current affairs and, whatever is happening, like who's the prime minister and who's the president. And, it was like, he's the OG rapid fire starter. Like
Ooh,
rapid fire. Sorry? Before before Karan, I think he was the OG with the whole rapid fire thing. So it was very, very interesting, back in the day. But yes, they always kept us very grounded and away from, the limelight, and from there were no paparazzis back in the day. So we were always sort of like ghar pe, no filmy parties, no nothing.
I feel like that is why you kind of got to be your own person without kind of letting the glamour of it all kind of thing.
We didn't go to any filmy party. The only outings we really had was like, at weekend lunches or dinners, with the family, or grandparents' home in Chembur. That's where we really spent our childhood, in Chembur.
Ridhima, were you the good elder daughter who was good in studies, like my
Yes.
sister?
Yes.
You were, didn't you?
Yeah, I was a kitabi keeda. My brother was into sports and everything else. I was wo tel, balon mein tel, chashme, I was like that, sitting and reading and mugging up everything. So I was like
Okay.
that. Very, very studious.
Tell me, Ridhima, how did your relationship with your mother change from you as a little girl to today? Because I see how close you are and I see what a support you've been through. I mean, it obviously goes both ways. So,
Yeah, of course. I mean, back in the day, of course, we've had a share of arguments. Like mom
Yeah.
used to, don't do this and don't do that and don't like whatever, and I used to be like, but why don't stop me? And why are you stopping me from doing this? And why you don't want me to do that? And whatever, how
Yeah.
back then. But today I realized that, yeah, she was right. And when I have to correct my daughter, and then she turns around and she's like, but mama, why are you stopping me? I was like, you know what, Sam? When you have a child, you will realize. Because even I do now. My mother was right.
How would you describe your bond with your mom today?
Pure. Like we talk about everything, Ruda. Everything under the sun. Like each and everything. I don't hide anything from her. My first call to her is in the morning and we have chai together. Apna morning tea together on FaceTime. So that happens every morning without fail, no matter where I am, no matter where she is. Even with the time difference, she may have her coffee, or I may have my chai, or I may have my juice, or whatever, but we have to talk in the morning, her morning, my morning, wherever, even if she's traveling overseas, wherever. So that happens. And we talk about everything, literally everything under the sun. So I don't hide anything from her. Like my deepest feelings, I share with her. Anything that's troubling me, we like literally. I'm like sometimes I'm like, Mom, I keep correcting Samara for everything. I don't want to be the only one. Like she may turn around and be like, my mother, she all she does is she just corrects me and tells me not to do this and not to do that. I mean, she's a teenager now, and you know how teenagers are.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm like the only one, like, trying to discipline her. So she helps me. She like, so she keeps, like, okay, I'll help you out and, I'll talk to her and, you sort of take a back seat. Yeah.
But she's quite the sassy grandmother, I must say. It's like I would have loved to have someone like that in my life because she's just so much fun besides the one who's correcting me.
My daughter adores my mom. Like, seriously. Like, if my mom says something to her now, like, that's it. I mean, it has to be done. I can say it over and over again, maybe 100 times, and Samara will not listen. But if my mom just has to say it once and it will be done. So, yeah. I'm happy. I am grateful for her.
But talking about Neetuji, you all had to share your grief of losing Rishiji with the world. It's the most kind of private feeling, right? But
I couldn't even go to Bombay. I mean, like I was here. Like I had to drive. I still remember it was like the worst period ever. It was like the worst time. And mom, like, being there. And I mean, it just happened so, it was so like, I thought he had time, and I thought it will pass and he'll get better, he'll come home. It just happened all of a sudden. And it was very, very difficult because at the time it was just the two of us at home, mom and me. So we used to go to different rooms, shed a tear or two, cry, let it all out, and then come back and pretend like, nothing's happened. And my focus was just to make her happy and smile at that time. So I used to take her out. People used to troll us back then also, yeah. भाग रहे हैं, हंस रहे हैं, ये कर रहे, वो कर रहे. अरे, my mom is all I have, yaar. Spare us,
No, that was terrible.
It was horrible.
You can't decide how somebody grieves. You can't
decide. I just don't get it. I really don't get it. But ठीक है. I mean, I really don't care. As long as my mom is happy and she's doing what she wants to do, I don't care what people say.
It must have been a lot for you because you had to kind of be the strong one in front of your mother.
But it was all a facade.
Yeah.
Even on the show, I said, na, andar se we were hurting, but we were hurting. But how do I show that emotion to my mom who's hurting? Matlab,
Yeah.
even she is, no, she's lost her husband. I've lost my dad. So it was really hard.
And I feel like
Amrita-
Ranveer must have gone into his shell. So, like, what do you do?
Yeah, but see, of course, like I do consider myself the stronger one. So
Yeah.
I was there. Like Ranveer would still, like, I'm sure he's also had his meltdowns and his
Yeah, yeah.
fair share of he's, you know, like he's been in a he was in a bad state also, but he doesn't show it, no? But it was just a terrible time for us, as a family. Like we were together, we used to cry together, laugh, celebrate him, remember him, and yeah, I guess that's life. Just have to move on now.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
today also when we look back, we don't want to think of the bad times, like, what happened, like over like those years, especially, when he was in
When he
hospital,
was-
when he was
Yeah.
suffering. We look back, we think of the good times, the happier times. We want to celebrate him, you know. That's what, and that's when all of us sit together. We talk about him, but we remember his, his funny moments, what dad would have said if he was here, even after the show, if dad was here, how would he have reacted, when you did this, when you spilled the wine, kya bolte, those things. So we remember him with a smile. And that's what we want to do, is remember him always with a smile on our face.
Your streak of honesty and being unafraid in saying what you feel is from your father's.
But with dad also, suppose if he said something, like if he was trying to, if he corrected someone and if he realized that person felt bad, wo वापस जाके उनसे बात करते थे.
Yeah.
like, I hope, don't take it to heart or anything. So I think I've got that from him. Eventually, I will go to that person and say, I'm sorry. This is what I didn't mean it like that.
I know when they're putting out all that pictures, it must have been very difficult for you because you all looked broken,
I absolutely adore Karan for one reason also, that when we were, trying to, look happy, during that time, he used to come home, he used to make mom like smile, something, and that stayed with me, that he did this for us. And I have the hugest, deepest respect for him for doing that for my mom.
So important. You remember little things like this always.
Little things you remember, and he did that for us. He did that for my mom, when it was, and after a while, I was like, what more can I do to make her happy? I get the family together, I take her out, we have our, like COVID circle, like just few of us, because at that time you couldn't meet more than 4 or 5 people or whatever. So we had a little COVID circle. So a very small circle. So I used to take her out. I was like, I just have to keep her busy. I just have to keep her mind off everything. Abhi tak, today, I can't watch my dad's films. I don't know why. I haven't seen anything. Something happens to me. And it's been 4 years? Like if his movie is coming on a channel, I'll change it. I just can't get myself to watch. It's going to take a while, but I think I have to, get used to it. But I can't get myself to see anything, Abhi.
Did you have that honest conversation about dealing with grief with Ranveer as well? Because, like you said, he's a different person, but he's someone who's keeping all that pent-up emotions inside him.
He probably emotes differently, Rudrani. Hum log nahi, we start crying, like literally get it all out, He probably, everyone has different ways of coping.
Dealing.
Yeah, exactly. But I'm sure he also has, he's had his fair share of breakdowns and meltdowns, but he's never really showed it to us. He probably wants to be like the stronger one.
You know, Ridhima, something that I will always mention because I noticed that, and I think this is what daughters are supposed to do, is the way both Ranveer and you, and even sons, build up, supported your mother, and told her you need to go and please go ahead and work. You know, please go ahead. The world loves you. And I feel that, like you
And
said,
why
there were so many
not?
judgments.
And
No,
why not?
100%. No, it was not about just pushing her. She was in a shell, not being able to come out of it. The fact that you all really encouraged her and said, you know what, it'll make you feel better because you used to love acting at a point. To do that and to see her really thrive on screen again,
Thing
in the
is,
films.
I had to come back to Delhi, right? I mean, people to here had even separated us. ये तो अभी Bombay चली गई है. She's in Mumbai now. She's left Delhi. But no one understood that my mother needed me at that time,
Of
And
course.
I wanted to be there with my mom and for my mother,
Yeah.
in her hardest. I couldn't leave her alone.
No. Yeah.
I'm sure no one does that. If your parent
No.
is alone suffering and, you're not going to just leave your parent there and go back to wherever you are. I didn't want to do that. I would never do it. So I was with my mom. I was with her for what? A year, almost a year. My husband was very understanding and he was like, no, you stay with mom, you be with mom. She needs you. And don't worry, I'm here. You be there, you be with her. Till she's stronger, till she's able to do. And that's exactly what we did. She got stronger. She probably developed a little bit more confidence. And we pushed her. We were like, you know what? You just do this movie. And that's the time she was offered Jug Jug Ji. She also did a couple of shows. She did, was it this dance show?
Yeah, dance show.
Judge on one of the shows. She did that. I think she did Indian Idol also. She went for Indian Idol as well. I think it was all back in the day. And then we did Couple together, the Kapil Sharma show.
I remember.
But all that I did was for her so that she could be happy. Happy means now you have to get on with life.
You have
I
to
go
survive.
back. Ranbir will start working. I didn't want her to be, on her own and doing nothing. And again, your mind is going back to everything and to, thinking of all those sad moments and sad times. We just wanted her to move. And I don't think we did anything wrong in doing that.
Wrong? Not at all. In fact, like I said, it was inspiring. It's been but I think the way both Ranveer and you kind of nudged her a little bit.
Yeah. But everyone can do what they want. End of the day, no one can stop you from doing things that, I mean, if I want to do something, if my family doesn't have a problem, then who are you to say anything?
100%.
If your family is supporting you with something that you want to do now, because everyone has their own, journey, their own unique journey to doing things. And if I've done this show now and people are like, why is she doing it now? Why not then? But but if I want to do it now, then what's to you? And if my family doesn't have a problem, if my entire family is supporting me, then what is your problem?
100%. No, I think there was a renewed sense of confidence. I don't know if you'll agree with me or not. Did you see that? I think there was a very, she looked like someone with a lot of passion to go ahead and follow it more, which I think obviously
She was always like this.
Yeah.
Always. I guess it was like so much has happened with her that she put it all there, and like emoted in that manner, like literally, like even her emotional scenes, she just got everything out of her, of her chest, literally. I think it's through experience also, what one goes through, and she's been through a lot. A lot with those 3 years. 2017, I think this all started. Yeah, for 3 years she went through a lot with my dad in the hospital and with his sickness. She was there. She was like a pillar. My dad couldn't do without her for a second at that time. So yeah,
100%. And I think kudos to both of you for pulling through from that situation. The other person that I noticed who was quietly standing by Ranveer doing her own thing was Alia.
Yes, yes.
You could see that it was a very difficult time for you, but she was rock solid beside him. Tell me, I'm sure you must have noticed that, and did that also kind of made you realize that this is it, and also you became friends with her? You know,
Yeah, I did. I still remember my dadi passed away, and my dad left
yeah.
for treatment, and the very next morning my dadi passed away, and Alia did everything. Literally, like she came with me. She organized, वो जो खाना होता है क्योंकि घर पे नहीं बन सकता है, so she organized खाना. She was there, like because I was on my Ranbir mom and Papa had left for New York. It was just me. She was with throughout. She's a great girl. Alia's amazing. Like how she's with my mom also now, she's just amazing. Like her whole family, her mom, her sister, dad, they're all really nice people. Even her Masi, we love her Masi also, her mom's sister. She's very sweet as well. So, but Alia is actually a very warm person.
Yeah, yeah.
She's a really, really very warm and a very giving person. I've said this all the time. She's a really, really nice human. Matlab she
I
does it,
remember.
dil se, matlab she does it wholeheartedly. If she wants to do something for you, she will go all out,
Yeah.
and just make sure it's done.
I think that's where your bonding started, where she did all of this. To the time where I saw her, you being the very cute sister-in-law in front of the pack, saying, "हमारे बिल्कुल doll लग रही है." I love that video of you telling the pack how she looking.
But they kept asking, "Kaisi hai?" or something like that. I was like,
No, it's too cute. It's
पूरी
true.
doll hai wo, but she is a doll, But she is a really, really, she's a very warm girl, Like, besides being a superstar that she is, she's a very loving person. That's what we adore about her.
I could see you and Ituji, of course, for Ranveer as well and for Alia. But that shadi was such an emotional moment because I remember you put out a post in my phone. You had put out a post saying that how much you missed your father seeing this day.
Yeah.
I feel like that was after a really long time, after what you have been through, it was a true celebration and the most homely and the most private way ever. Is that how you looked at the wedding as well? Because genuinely, I could see you so emotional.
Yeah, his last two wishes were getting Ranbir married and, getting the house ready. So house is almost ready. Ranbir's married. So it was very, very emotional for us. I mean, I really wish, even today, I wish he was here with us, but I guess God had other plans.
And when you were in the wedding, in the preparation of it all, it must have been so much fun for you also. Of course, you've missed your father because I think, in a lot of weddings, you do it with all the pomp and show. But to have a wedding where you only had your family and you could be yourselves, right? Sometimes with all the glamour around it and people around it, can you ever be yourself truly? I think I don't know. I look at it, I think it must have been truly special.
I had a really big wedding, so I didn't have a good time at my own wedding, to be honest. My dad wanted to have the biggest wedding, and which he did.
Yeah.
So Ranbir was like, you know what? We've had a big wedding in the family, a big huge celebration. I want to keep mine. And he's a very simple guy. Both of them, both Ranbir and Alia, are very simple people. So they were like, we want to do it very chota. We just want people who matter to us, people who we are in touch with every single day. And we want to have a good time ourselves, at our own wedding. And they did. Like both of them were beaming with joy. Of course, they were like they've thoroughly enjoyed their wedding, and they've like literally met everyone, spent time, quality time. At weddings and all, if you're the bride or the groom, you hardly meet people. You don't even remember who came. If you've had like so many people at your wedding.
Sure.
I honestly don't. I was like, अच्छा आप मेरी शादी पे आए थे? मुझे तो याद ही नहीं।
इतनी बड़ी शादी थी, इतने लोग आए थे।
इतनी बड़ी शादी, like a huge wedding. You sometimes don't remember, मैं आपकी शादी पे आई थी। अच्छा, sorry, याद नहीं है। But these guys actually had a blast. It was really nice seeing them having a good time themselves.
In the beginning in this conversation, you said about the fact that just the way you are, like you come at me, I'll forgive you. But you come at my family, I never will. I'm absolutely that person, Ridhima. even after they got married and they are so happy to have Raha and all of that, people talking about how Ranveer,
He's
is not a supportive husband and is a misogynist, and then Alia and stuff like that. And the comments go on, right? And knowing you must have had like 10 opinions to give, but of course, you don't want to go out there and tell people. What do you want to go and tell, right?
Rudra, I know how they are. Like
Yeah.
we all know how they are. They adore each other. They've created the most beautiful ever
Raha.
child, Raha. She's so adorable. They are amazing parents. So I don't think they really care about what people will say things. Yeah, I mean, they are trolls for a reason. Yeah. They want same things, but I don't think they really care. I mean, they don't. It's just that they are very happy, together, and that's what matters most.
Are you able to maintain your mental health when you hear all of this about your family? I want to know.
I do get annoyed, but then annoyed at who? Literally,
Who are they?
at who? Who do I get annoyed with? Was it Richa who said कि चिंटू चंडीगढ़ में बैठ के क्या लिख रहा है?
Yeah.
She said that, and after seeing her clip, I think of her. हमको क्या लेना है? कोई भी कहीं भी बैठ के कुछ भी लिख रहा है, you don't know. They don't
Yeah.
know us, So they can keep judging. They can keep saying things. It's Samara. She wants to say hi. You want to come and say hi?
Please come and say hi to me, Samara. Hi.
She has
This
exam
is so
tomorrow,
much
so
about
she's
you.
supposed to study.
I love your mom.
Yes, me too.
It's adorable.
Bye.
It's too adorable. Okay, so Ridhima, you have to tell me. I have a sibling and I know what it means to have a sibling. You have your best friend in your house. At a point when you do that, you have your battles and then you have the love that nobody else can share with your siblings, right? You have Ranveer. I want to know how you were when you were children to then, of course, when you all grew up, where you could discuss everything. And then to today when both of you are parents. How did that relationship has evolved today? How do you look at
Oh
it?
gosh, now we only discuss our girls, I mean, I'm like one of those aunts. Move aside. You want my then I go and grab my Raha. But we discuss our girls. We're like, Acha, what are you doing? Are you giving her this to eat? Has she started having this? Things like that. So our conversations are now mainly about the girls. Has Sam started? Is Sam enjoying school? Which subject? All that. So basically, conversations they just revolve around the girls.
And cut to the ones you used to have before.
Oh
How was
God.
that?
Back in the day, we were only wrestling with each other, fighting with each other. But now, of course, maturity has hit. So we are, now we are parents, and now we only discuss our kids and what we want to do, and where would you like to send Raha? Where would you like to send Sam? What does Sam want to do? So yeah.
Ridhima, were you the protective sister, the one who would tell your brother, like, treat the girls right? Or you can't go, I'll tell mom, I'll complain to. Were you that?
I was
Were
a
you
complete.
that?
I was, yeah. Don't do this. I will tell mom. Don't do this, huh? I'm telling you. Mom, you know what? Ranveer was like, I was a big complaint box.
Is there a funny incident that you recollect today that you'd like to share with us from that era? Which can be funny, absolutely. I'd love to hear it.
There are so many, Chembur especially, like every weekend we used to go to our grandparents, for sleepovers. Kuch na kuch to he used to do, and I used to be like, Ranveer, we are going to go back now. I'm going to tell mom everything that you've done. You did this, you did this, you did this. You were having something. He was not allowed ice cream, so you had ice cream. Small things like that. I'm going to go and tell. I used to tell my mother everything. She used to hate me for that.
They say that when you have this, has anybody ever tried to say, oh, you know what, your brother's so good looking, I have a crush on him and stuff, and have you been like hands off, or are you like chill about that at that time?
I'm like, yeah, no, of course, if someone tells me, even today, so many people are, we love your brother. Like, yeah, I know. It's okay.
Now he's taken.
Sweet. Kya bolu?
Kuch nahi ho sakta.
That's really sweet. That's all I say.
Of course. And like you discussed Raha and Sam, I'm sure with Alia also that relationship that you had in the beginning has now become like all about motherhood. Ki main ye karti hu.
Motherhood, huh? Exactly. Acha, so she asks me, like she asked me a couple of times, did Samara do this at this age? Alia, she's 13, इतना मेरे को याद नहीं है, but किया होगा. मतलब कब ये दिया था खाने के लिए, means, like the mashed food and this and that, things like that. She's asked me a couple of things, but honestly, I mean, it's been too many years. Certain things I don't remember.
How would you describe Ranveer as a father? I'm sure you observed her with Raha.
Like, he's a doting father.
Mm.
He's an amazing parent. Both of them. She's a hands-on mom. He's a hands-on dad. And they share equal responsibilities. So it's great. And it's just very it's nice to see him with his daughter because he's so involved. Like, मतलब उसे इतनी खुशी मिलती है when he spends time with his daughter. He just can't get enough of her. Neither can we actually.
Of course, you named her Popsicle. I saw that story. It was too cute.
Popsicle. No, my names change every day. Like sometimes I'll call her Popsicle, Lollipop, then my little Poopsoos, Poopsies, kuch bhi. Like, something that, like, I don't know, anything, Popsies. So yeah, she's Strawberry. She's too adorable.
Now I know you've always said no to movies.
I know
Not interested. Not interested at all is what you always said. But the post the love and the kind of feedback that you've got, besides reality shows, do you think you want to kind of elaborate and you kind of want to spread your thing to other means of entertainment?
I'm very happy right now, but yeah, I mean, if something good comes along, like, I do these collabs every now and then, these paid
Yeah.
parts. I'm very happy doing that. Like ads and all, I'm very open to,
Yeah.
I've done ramp, I've done ads, I've done a lot actually, like, in terms of, the collabs and all of those things. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm not really like nahi, ye nahi karna hai, wo nahi karna hai, ye but dekhenge what happens.
Dekhenge, why not? I feel like you're more receptive to it than you were a few years ago. Am I correct?
Yeah, but also there's Samara is old enough, I never left Sam when she was, I don't know, I just could not get myself to leave her when she was, till Samara turned 3, I never left the house. I never left the house. No, but it was just me. I was a very, I just wanted to be around her. First child, I guess,
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's personally like I could not leave her. Like anywhere I'd go, I'd take her with me, मेरी गोदी में. So I was a very Bharat was like, we should have a second. I'm like, Bharat, if we have a second, then you will leave me because again, I'll be with Samara,
Which is fair. It's the way you are.
Yeah, but maybe she was also my first child and I just wanted to do everything on my own. I was hands-on. So I wanted to do everything, like literally for Sam, when she was till about 3 years. And then I was like, chalo, theek hai. So the first time I actually left Sam was when my dad needed in Bombay, when he was in hospital. That's the first time I left her. No. So maybe 2016 I left her. So that was the first time. She was born in 2011. So she was 5 years old.
But
yeah.
I feel like it was necessary also after that,
Oh,
you only do it when it's really, really important, right? So,
yeah, when push comes to shove, no? So, I mean, then I was like, of course, my mother-in-law, she's amazing. Like, I love my mother-in-law. So she was like, you don't worry, you go do your thing, be with dad and I'll look after Sam for, how many ever days you want to, spend time with your parents. So Tachu Baba, I'm very lucky to have an amazing family. That's why when people keep saying, she's entitled and she's privileged. Yes, in terms of a great family, the most beautiful, loving family that I have, and I'm not apologetic for that, for having the most loving family ever.
Was Neetu ji also like this with you? As a mother? Was Neetu ji a very chill mother?
Mom was very chill. See, I don't remember, but like whenever we talk and we discuss like our childhood and everything, like she's like, I was very chilled out. Like I used to leave you with my nani. She used to stay with us. back in the day. Leave us with Nani, leave us with Dadi, leave us with Bua in Delhi. So that she used to like, if mom had to accompany my dad on shoots, she used to leave both of us with my Bua in Delhi, and she used to be. Mom tells me she used to be amazing with us. So, and we used to have a great time because she used to really entertain us. So she was very, very chilled out. Both Ranveer and me.
Ridhima, what's your biggest fear? As a mother, as a human being, what has been your biggest fear?
I've already lost a loved one. I cannot lose more loved ones. That's like something I'm not. One is never prepared, and because I know what I went through, and especially at that time, not being and not being able to say goodbye, to someone you love most in the world. That's my fear. Like it's just sort of like I just wake up in the middle of the night, sometimes I have nightmares and I just wake up in the middle of the night. I'm like, you know what? I'm not prepared to lose anyone that is close to me or anyone that I truly love. It just sort of, it scares me. It scares the daylights off.
That's exactly the fear that I have.
That's the only thing. Otherwise, you know what? I really don't care about anything else. It's just losing my loved one.
A lot of people actually assumed that because you're so like poised, so graceful. That's what they kept saying, right? They felt like you're going to actually take a back seat and not have too much of a voice. This is an assumption that they had. I want to know what the wives had to say post the shoot. Where you actually, because you were in all, you were giving opinions left, right, and center.
What they had to say. No, I'm saying that we are all so chilled out with each other. In Bombay, we've had the best time, just before the session. We were all together. We were all discussing. We were all like joking with each other. So we've actually had a blast. We are literally laughing at you trolls. क्या लिख रहे हो तुम लोग?
So let me ask the $1 million question. Mashball versus Bhavna's Rage Room.
Yeah.
Take a pick.
Mashball, yeah, Mashball for sure. Shalini did an amazing. She put up an amazing show, yeah. That Mashball was something else.
Yeah.
तुम तो हम लोग कभी भी जा सकते हैं.
Also, you did not most of the time after you're like, we were expecting a little more. Is what you're.
But गुस्सा है ही नहीं तो किधर से? We are not raging. We have no anger issues. Shalini and me were playing dandiya, if you remember. हम तो अपना डांडिया खेल रहे थे. हमने क्या कर रहे थे? I don't want to break things. I even hurt myself, honestly. I injured myself. But we were playing dandiya. We were very chilled out. And बाद में Shalini was like, पर हम लोग को किस बात का गुस्सा है? Why are we in a rage room? Wearing whatever we are wearing.
Yeah, that. Ridhima, what are you going to choose next time when you go for doing physical activities like walk?
By the way, I go that on purpose because I didn't want to do that activity. Like, I just wanted them. See, honestly, I was like, I need that me time. I was always around them. I was like, मेरे को थोड़ा अपना quiet time चाहिए. अगर मैं कुछ लंबा पहन के जाऊंगी ना, then I don't have to do any of that. I can send them all into the jungle. The bunch of girls into the jungle. Go do your safari and come back. I want pictures. I want nice pictures. I took and I managed to get some really nice photographs of myself, minus everybody else. So actually, I wanted to do that for myself.
It was too cute because you were on the phone while they're doing. You're too busy looking at the phone.
Peacock के साथ photo लिया, nature में, मतलब जो भी था उधर, whatever I could find. I napped, quick nap. I did all that, whatever I wanted to do. So yeah, so sometimes you need that me time, yeah. You need that time yourself.
So you're like, but अगर Ridhima का mood हुआ तो सबको बराबर टक्कर मिल सकता है physical activities में. You're a yoga enthusiast, क्या? You are like fantastic at it.
The yoga is very different, yeah, than riding.
I know.
Cycle चलाने तो आती नहीं है मुझे.
Oh yeah, of course.
I started to learn. Okay, when I was learning how to ride a cycle, and when I was on that cycle, मेरे compound में सांप, literally like crossed me. मैं वही cycle छोड़ के मैं भागी. उसके बाद मैंने कभी नहीं चलाया. I don't know.
It's like a trauma a little bit.
Yeah, so I never, I mean, I can, I mean, if I have to, but that cycle on the zip liner was,
Yeah.
that
So
was
the height,
that
scary.
height and all. And thank God for yoga that I could balance, you know. Otherwise, I thought I'll topple and I'll fall, and I was like, I'll never get to see my family again. And it was bye Samara, bye Bharat, bye Mama.
They're like, truly, I have led a fabulous life in this now.
Truly, exactly. And then I was like, I'm going to fall for sure, and I'm not prepared for that. I didn't know this is going to happen. I had no idea where Seema was, like, what Seema had planned.
Ridhima, has the yoga helped you maintain this kind of sometimes the Zen life mode? You know, like I said, today you are a part of. I know you keep saying that मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, and I know that it genuinely नहीं पड़ता है, but कभी ना कभी I think mental health को थोड़ा बहुत तो affect करता है.
देखो,
जो
it
बाकी
doesn't
इंसान
make me, Rudrani, to be honest, it doesn't make me a difference what people say as long as my family support me, you know. My mother's happy with me, I'm happy. My brother is happy with me, I am happy. My husband supports me, I am happy. मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है who says what? I have no, I mean, I have nothing to do with you. You have nothing to do with me. You can say what you like. It makes me no difference. So yoga, yes. I mean, I do it for myself, you know,
Yeah.
because apart from whatever else, there are a lot of other things also in my life, you know.
Of
I have to
course.
take care of my house, my family, their needs, and a lot of other things also, you know. I have a jewelry business which is on autopilot, but there are a lot of other things also that I need to take care of. So it's not just this. This is just like, you
Small
know,
part.
it's just a part of it. But just to, you know, get me going, and also the age I'm at and everything, you know, I'm not getting younger or anything. So I need to, you know, sort of take care of myself. And
You look fabulous, Ridhima.
you're very
Please,
sweet, you're very kind. Thank you very much. But
ये कुछ भी लिख ले, ये इस बात को तो कोई झुठला नहीं सकता.
no, but yes, yoga does help a lot. You know, it calms me, sort of just, you know, I don't think of anything, you know, when I meditate. So for me, that is very, very important. I have to practice yoga every single day, at least meditate, if no asanas.
Okay, I'm going to, before coming to my last round of fun questions, you'll have to tell me the next season is obviously, we know it's happening for sure.
अच्छा, मुझे नहीं
Oh,
पता.
Ridhima's
मुझे
learned
नहीं
what to do. She's
मुझे नहीं
like,
पता. आई शपथ.
okay, wink, wink.
I am a Mumbaiker, huh, by the way. आप
Yes.
मुझे दिल्ली में बिठाओ, I love Delhi, but you can't take the Mumbai out of a Mumbai.
Yay!
You can't. You can never. No one can.
Yay! I love that.
I
Yes.
love my vada pav.
Ooh, of course you do. You are the true Mumbaiker.
I'm a true
Uh,
Mumbai. Thoroughbred.
पर मुझे पता है, लेकिन बहुत मजा आने वाला. ज्यादा बोल नहीं सकते हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से, ladies and gentlemen, so we can't further say anything on that.
पता
But
है, मुझे नहीं पता है सच में.
मुझे
Show
पता
के
है
बाद
हो रहा है. मुझे तो पता है हो रहा है. ऐसे धमाका करने के बाद रिधिमा, the everybody trending, you all have been trending for a while. How can we not have another season? But it's been wonderful. Can you imagine? You all have been trending for a while.
Yeah, man, that's amazing. I was like, पूरे दिन on करके रखूंगी Netflix. Viewership बढ़ेगी.
जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी, सब कर रहे हैं.
जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ी. I told all my friends on करके रखना, just पूरा दिन on करके रखना. But yeah, it just happened.
I've been having too much fun. A little bit
Yeah,
emotional.
we don't want to end this conversation, guys. Even if you are bored, we are not.
No. We can go on. But of course, I'll have to ask some fun questions. All right, Ridhima, are you ready?
Yeah, ready. बताओ.
You'll kill it. Okay. What's the funniest nickname that your brother and your mother have given you?
Oh God, I'm not saying.
Come on, Ridhima, say it.
Cooks. Can you see it? I got it tattooed.
Oh, yeah. Is there a story behind it that we should
I don't know. She used to call me Cookie. So Cookie ka short form, I think, turned into Cooks or something like that. Cooks.
I thought you'll say Mushk.
Which dad used to call me. So I'm gonna, my next tattoo will be my dad's, what he used to call me. So I'll probably tattoo it right here next to mom's.
So cute, but it's such a cute name.
No, actually, I've never asked my mom. My mom, why do you call me Cooks? I don't think even she knows why she calls me Cooks. Cooks.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it just happened. She just calls me Cooks. That's why.
Okay. Who do you think Samara is more like? you or your husband, or maybe, and what are the qualities that you think have picked up from both of you?
I think she's more like me, but she looks like my husband, and a lot of people say and like Ranbir. So I think she's a kishmish between Bharat and Ranbir.
Super cute. Okay, a quality about your brother that you absolutely love, and a quality that you tolerate about your brother.
I absolutely love his the way he's so zen. He's always, like very calm. And yeah, the same thing I tolerate. Kabhi to react, kabhi to show some excitement, some remorse, something. But no, he's zen, he's calm.
What is one quality that is exactly same to yours that comes from your mother?
I think we are we also speak our mind. We make sure we put our point across.
Fair enough. I know this question is going to be tricky, but I'm going ahead, Ridhima. Okay. From The Fabulous Lives versus Bollywood Wives, if you have to pick your closest friend.
But they are
and you
not
have
my
a-
close friends.
Correct. So now I'm saying someone you say is you still can share a better rapport. You always said nobody's closest friend.
No,
Among them, someone that you relate to a little more is my question. Who would that be and why?
I think between I think I'll pick two because I do talk to them on the phone and stuff.
Fair.
All of them, yeah. Even Bhavna, I do. But
But
see,
thoda zyada.
see, Delhi girls, I really don't know them too well. I mean, I love them and everything. Love them in the sense that, when I meet them, we share pleasantries and they are
Sure.
nice girls and everything. But we are not close. Like the Bombay girls, I've known for a longer time,
Of
than the
course.
Delhi girls. I think Maheep,
Hmm.
I love her attitude, the way she is, big, just own it. Own it.
That's true.
Neelam and, she's amazing.
Okay. Who, according to you, is the most stylish diva in the show Fabulous Wives versus Bollywood Fabulous
Kalyani.
Lives versus Bollywood Wives?
Kalyani.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Hands down for you.
And yeah, for sure.
If
She
you had to,
makes everything look amazing, couture.
if you had to pick your favorite look from the show, which one would you pick and why?
The turquoise gown, safari one, whether you like it or not. I love the color. I think it looked great on you. I'm wearing something similar. Hello, look, the color.
Ooh. But listen,
I love
Ridhima, I love all your outfits.
I'll tell you what, I wanted to use that outfit. And
हाँ.
मेरे को चांस ही नहीं मिल रहा था मैं कौन से सीन में यूज करूं. I was like, चल सफारी में पहन ले, तू अच्छा लगेगा, in that the
Yeah.
scenery and that
Yeah.
whole thing, peacock के साथ फोटो मेरी भी अच्छी आएगी. पहन लिया.
I love how she's like peacock के साथ photo अच्छी है.
हाँ. Garden में.
What is something that the world doesn't know about Ridhima Kapoor sir?
I get bullied also.
Hmm.
I do. And then by my own friends, actually. Friends who know me, they know किधर इसका किधर टांग खींचनी है इसकी.
You'll have to tell me a favorite film of theirs from their filmography from your family members. Okay. First, we start with Neetu ji.
Moms.
You can give me a reason as well.
Do Kaliya. I make Samara also watch it. That's Nani. She did that. She played twins, no? The
Yeah.
double role. Double role
Correct.
in that movie. Do Kaliya. Forever fave.
Rishi ji.
Ay, Papa, so many films.
You can pick a few.
A few. Khel Mein, again with mom. Loved it. Still love it. Then Chandni. Then Prem Rog, Bobby, Amar Akbar Anthony, and the list goes on.
Fair enough. That's a nice list to have. Okay, Ranbir.
Ranbir, wow. Rockstar.
Mm.
I love Rockstar and Wake Up Sid, for sure. My all-time favorite movie of his. I could watch it over and over again. Sanju. I also liked him in Savarya, actually. I liked that movie.
The debut film.
It was very, very like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Was there a film after which you went and told him like and like have gotten emotional with him saying like it's you become such a fantastic actor? Was there a film like that ever for you?
After every film, I message him.
Oh,
When I think you are fantastic and you're amazing and I love you and I loved your performance. That happens all the time.
I'm sure post Animal, the success that he's seen, I mean,
Yeah, man. I messaged him now after Animal. I was like, listen, are you for real? Are you mad? What have you done? This is amazing.
and look where he's reached now. I mean, look at also I feel like the filmography that he has, right? Like you play Animal, then you're playing like Ramayan, you're playing Ram.
Better, it gets better and better with every
यहाँ पे भी touch wood बोलना शायद जरूरी है.
touch
So,
wood,
great to see that.
knock.
Okay, Alia Bhatt.
Alia's, I loved her in Student of the Year, her first movie. So adorable. Love, love, love. Then Humpty. Humpty,
Mm.
huh?
So
Humpty
cute.
Sharma, too cute. Gangubai, hello.
Some good ones. Some very, I love how you've chosen both their first films.
You know?
Because I think, yeah, because I feel like you saw them like they were raw and they were innocent. I feel
Raw.
like that.
Yeah, I mean, of course, all their movies are amazing. It just gets better and better. But these are my favorites.
Yeah, 100%. What has been the most romantic thing someone has done for you?
Oh, wow. Most romantic thing someone has done or I have done?
Someone has done for you.
I have to cook. I'm a great cook. I can cook. Like, I remember I used to cook back in the day. Like, who's done what for me? Now, to your question, I don't know. Something romantic, like, yeah, Bharat took me on a boat where he proposed to me. But then when I said no the first time, he toppled me. Oh. That I don't know if it's romantic or whether it's funny or whether whatever it was. That's what he did. मैंने उसको ना बोल दिया था first. I was like, no, you'll have to ask my dad for his permission. What can I say? I can't say yes to you, you know. Dad से permission लेना पड़ेगा. Tadang. हम दोनों पानी के अंदर on the speedboat.
Love that. Maybe it's romantic in its own way. You never know.
At the time, I probably thought it was. But yeah, so I used to cook back in the day when, you know, नई शादी हुई है, newly married. And my husband only put on 10 kilos after that. And then I was banned from the kitchen. You're not entering the kitchen.
Oh my goodness. But of course, क्या करें? इतने अच्छा खाना बनाते तो कौन रोक सकता है बताओ?
Yeah.
Okay.
Biryani and all I used to make for him.
Okay. I'm going to end it by asking you. We learn so much from our parents and we see them with each other. What did you learn from their relationship?
They were the best of friends. You know, love is there. Love will always be there. But that friendship, you know, and my mom always told me one thing: no matter what happens, how upset you are with your partner, never cross that line of respect, because it is very difficult to bring that back. So, and another thing she said is never sleep on a fight, which I told you already mentioned. And I do exactly what, you know, she's always told me and advised. And communication is something that is very important. So you have to let your partner know how you're feeling, good, bad, ugly, whatever. And he, you know, he needs to do the same. So these are some of the things that, you know, I've seen them like over, like, you know, in the last, whatever, few years when, you know, parents were together, even at the hospital, they became the best of friends. Like literally, like mom, of course, mom too was running from pillar to post, doing things for dad because dad was obviously, you know, he was very, very unwell. But he couldn't do a single minute without my mother. So my mother was with him all the time, nursing him, taking care of him, just with him. She forgot her life. She didn't know who she was. You know, it was just my dad. That was her focus. So I've seen it, you know, and their friendship together. Like she used to literally, you know, I still remember, like make his dadi, you know, put cream, you know, things like that. This is very sweet. So yeah, and she was, yeah, and he was obsessed with me. Obsessed. Like literally, if mom was out, you know, somewhere and she didn't pick his call. He used to call me up. Where's mom? Have you spoken to her? Why isn't she picking up her call? I'm like, but Papa, I'm in Delhi. मुझे नहीं पता.
But so sweet. That's so wonderful.
So I think friendship is very, very important. Friendship comes first, before anything. You have to be your partner's best friend.
Everybody, I hope you're taking notes. But thank you so much, Ridhima. You are absolutely fantastic. Thank you for being so honest
Thank
and
you. But I'm
sharing. That's true. That
But
is
I
true.
am always honest.
No, but I
I
feel
don't
like this.
lie. That's one thing I don't do is I never lie. It's not in my dictionary. I will never lie about anything.
100%. I'm going to send you lots of love. I don't think these conversations are easy to have. Trusting another person to share it. So thank you. It's
But
an
I'm an
honor to
open
be
book,
having you.
Rudrani. I have nothing to hide.
Absolutely.
What you see is what you get in my case. I don't hide anything. I have no hidden skeletons.
Yeah.
My life is an open book.
Love that. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, while Ridhima says she doesn't know much, I know there's another season and we will be looking forward to watching Ridhima in it. I'm going to make that call and get all the tea. But apparently you do have all the tea. Apparently more than anybody else, more than Ranveer. Am I correct, Ridhima?
Oh well. अब मिल जाती है मुझे information बैठे बैठे दिल्ली में.
क्यों नहीं? तो फिर क्यों ना ले? बिल्कुल. On that note, thank you so much. Sending you so much love.
Love that. Thank you, Rudra.
Thank you, Ridhima.
Bye.